Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to hard reset your laptop Acer Aspire every model. So to do that, if you have some issues with the software, you have to turn off your laptop. That's it. And power on with Alt and F10. So Alt, F10 and go to power. Keep holding, please wait. So release these buttons and just wait until you're gonna see the menu. And it will be a different way in Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11. There will be the different theme of the screen. In this case I have the Windows 8, so I will show you how to... No, this is the Windows 10 anyway. So I press this. And these things. And now you're, as you see, and this is in Polish, this is the resetting your laptop, and it will be the new factory system on it. And that's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.